Hello, welcome to Open House. I'm Mrs. Leonard. I'm the speech language pathologist here at Pfeiffer-Burleigh Elementary School. Sometimes we say speech therapist or speech teacher. I work with the kids in kindergarten through 5th grade to improve their communication skills in the classroom. I really miss seeing all of my students in person, but I really appreciate all the work that the parents are doing to help keep working on their kids' communication skills at home, and I appreciate all of the parents that are helping their kids log on to their Zoom sessions with me. If you have any questions about how to improve your child's communication skills in the classroom, or if you have any questions about language development or any area of communication like vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence structure, fluency, stuttering, voice problems, please give me a call, 874-6750. I look forward to hearing from you. Y para las familias que hablan español, me llamo señora Leonard, yo soy la terapeuta del lenguaje del habla o terapeuta del habla aquí Pfeiffer-Burleigh Elementary School. Yo ayudo a los estudiantes de kinder a quinto a mejorar las habilidades de comunicación en clase. Si tiene alguna pregunta, por favor, llámame 874-6750. Bienvenidos, gracias, buen día, goodbye.